Hi, I'm Wayne Highlander. I'm the National Sales Manager with Bona Adhesives. I'm here in the Bona Regional Training Center, one of our training centers in North Carolina. And I'm going to go over 3 products, and I'm going to try to do it under 10 minutes, okay? First one I'm going to talk about is our moisture barrier. R540 moisture barrier. It's good for wood subfloors or concrete subfloors. On wood subfloors, we know that contractors rarely get optimum conditions, right? And that leaves us with a couple choices. We lay the floor and hope the floor doesn't cup, or we delay the job. The nice thing about this, if we simply roll out 1 coat on the wood subfloor, will bring us up to 20% moisture protection. And you do not need to use a building paper, okay? So, 1/4 inch snap roller, simply roll it out. Roll out 1 coat like this. Some guys will roll and cross roll, make sure they got everything covered. The added bonus on Advantech, with Advantech it becomes your primer, okay? And it's going to give you a tenacious bond with the adhesive, with our silane adhesive on Advantech, okay? So, if you got chalk lines down, it's going to actually lock in your chalk lines. It'll help you. You don't need to use building paper, as I said. 1/4 inch nailer, 1/4 inch snap, and if you're going to nail only on top of this, just wait about an hour or so, and an hour and a half and start nailing the floor, okay? Get you to 20%. The next product is our flagship product. It's Bona's R851 adhesive. I'm just going to show you right here. Inside every pail, there's some tin foil, okay? Don't throw it away, save the foil. And there's also 2 clip-on trowels in every pail. One is our standard trowel at about 50 to 55 square feet. It's going to give you 12 pounds and 85% moisture protection. That's a tremendous amount of moisture protection at 50 to 55 square feet per gallon. Our other trowel is our Mbp Trowel. This trowel is going to bring you up to 18 pounds and 95 RH. So we have 2 ways to get to the 18 and 95. You can also use our R540 primer or sealer. With 1 coat of that, roll it on with a 1/4 inch snap roller. Using our standard trowel, gets you to 18 and 95 as well. Okay, so 2 different ways to get there. So when you're done with this adhesive, put the lid back on, put the foil in, put the lid on, throw it in your van. If you don't use it for another month, there's no wasted pails. There's hardly any skin over, if there's any at all. If what is there is going to come out super easy. You're not going to have to fight it. It's really easy to get back on. Okay. What a lot of guys like about this, it's 1 SKU for all your installs. It goes up to 9-inch wide solid, 16-inch wide engineered. You'll see here that I've kind of floated the adhesive out already, but we don't really want you to float the adhesive out like that. That's using too much adhesive. With the Bona silane adhesive, you're going to get much better spread rates, and you'll get those peaks up nice and high by holding up the trowel closer to a 90-degree angle, okay? Trowel's out really nice, gets the peaks up nice and high, and great open time and great ridge stability, okay? Now, be aware, right here, I'm demonstrating if you back trowel first, if you back trowel like that first, which doesn't require much more adhesive, and then you trowel through it, we bring you up to 15 pounds moisture protection. Tremendous amount of moisture protection. Again, we can take you to 18 and 95 if you need it, but with our standard trowel, great spread rate, great moisture protection. Also, what a lot of people really like about this product is that if you get it on an engineered floor, pre-finished floor, you don't see it for a couple days, 2 or 3 days, come back, it will not etch the finish. Okay, that's a horrible callback to get. This will be the easiest adhesive you've ever removed off a pre-finished floor. Does a really nice job. So now, the last product is our Bona sausages. Okay, same adhesive that comes in our pail. Fantastic shear strength. Also won't etch the finish. But the nice thing about this is it's perfect for a nail glue assist. The NWFA, National Wood Flooring Association, changed the guidelines on nail glue assist in 2019. You can trowel for a nail glue assist, but this is a very inexpensive way to do this. The nice thing about using the Bona sausages with the R540, it's a system, okay, that knocks out 2 of the biggest industry complaints. 1, being noisy, squeaky, popping floors, and 2, floors cupping, okay? So by simply putting this down first, using our sausages for nail glue assist. Very inexpensive system. And I talk about nail glue assist. We want a wider and wider plank. The wider the plank, the less fasteners per square foot. So a nail glue assist becomes more important. Also, it's a long way across these floors to rely only on the engagement of the tongue and groove on one side and the staples or cleats on the other side to hold that floor. Okay, that's where the popping and squeaking comes in. Easy, really nice system for that. Also, when a guy's doing nail glue assist, it's very common that the hose somehow ends up in the adhesive, right? Again, if it does that, if it gets on the floor, it's going to be the easiest adhesive to clean off you've ever worked with. So, again, I hope I got it under 10 minutes. And I'm Wayne Highlander again with Bona Adhesives. If you have any questions, please reach out to one of our territory managers or our adhesive specialist, one of our distributors. You can also go to bona.com. And thank you very much. I appreciate it.